nice. It's nice. This place, it's huge. So yeah. So we're gonna stay here tonight, guys. This hotel, Hilton Hotel. It's nice for walking, and also it's a beautiful weather. So yeah, it's very nice. Huh? So yeah, look at the yacht. Very expensive. Huh? Yeah. It's very nice. So we're just walking here. Very beautiful. So I'm with my hubby. Where is he? So yeah, look at the view, guys. Very nice. So that's why we are here, because gusto ko makita ito dito, guys, kasi lagi ko makita sa social media itong place na to. So yan, maganda naman ang ang area. Kaya lang ang video natin makulimlim kasi walang araw today. So yan. It's nice, guys. So ito naman dito. Ito Ito ang haba ng building dito. Diba? Ayan. Look at the building. Yan. What did you say? Look at the boat. Diba? Marami ng tao nag-walking dito. Ganda naman. Nice.
Kiddo. Look at all the kiddos.
Mayroong mga maliit na jet ski. Yan. How deep this water?
It's not super deep, but it's probably 15, 20 feet.
Yeah. Look. Ang layo natin.
Feel that weather?
Yeah, it feels
It's
good.
almost 70 degrees outside. It's the middle of winter.
Yeah.
That's what's so amazing about San Diego.
Yeah.
The temperature.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need a coat.
Yeah, fresh.
And the air is really clear.
It's very nice.
That's what's so attractive about this place.
Yeah.
The temperature.
It won't you have a temper
You can make a plan anytime.
Yeah.
Do something outside. It doesn't rain that much. Look at this yacht here. Look at this.
Oh, look at this yacht.
Probably 40, 50, maybe $50 million
Oh,
yacht.
wow. Look at this. Very beautiful. Very beautiful.
Look at that yacht.
Yeah. I think they have outdoor food here. That's the restaurant. that's the expensive one here. Let's do the video the front.
A lot of people live on their boats. I mean,
Oh
they
really?
live on them, yeah.
So this one here too, they live in here?
People are probably living in there, yeah.
Really? Wow.
They might not all of them.
Very
A lot of people live
beautiful.
on their boats, yeah.
I'm sure it's a expensive parking, huh?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
If you can afford that boat, you're not worried about the parking.
Uh-huh. Oh, look at that. See, they're inside in their boat.
Yeah, they live in there, yeah.
I'm glad the water is not
Very calm.
dirty or
No, it's good water.
yeah, it's smelly. It's nice. Mm-hmm.
Weather's just perfect. It can be sunny, but it's very good temperature.
Mm-hmm. So it's small. What's that? Jet ski
Those are just little
or it's small
dinghies.
dinghies?
Dinghies. They're for getting to your boat.
Uh,
A lot of these big boats have a dinghy so that they can.
I love that one. It's a white.
It's a yacht, beautiful yacht.
Yeah, very nice. I love here because you can walk and you can exercise. Just calm, relax, refreshing. So yan. And then come back.
Yep.
Yeah. It's nice. Hold. I can run. I can run my boots. Ta-da! I can run my boots. See? I can run. Ta-da! Very nice. Look. See? Look, this side. Right here. Come this one. Ta-da! Look. Very nice, guys. See? Diba? Very nice. You did? That side over there? Yeah. Oh, they have they're selling something here. Let's go here. Give me this. Yeah. This is the fancy restaurant here.
Yeah.
It's nice. What's in here? Oh, that's the one, the like ocean, huh? Seafood restaurant here.
Seafood here, right there. And right there with that brown building is the Seaport.
Yeah. It looks like the people they're selling outside. They have tent.
Check it out.
Yeah. Oh, you can rent the boat here.
You rent a boat,
Yeah.
cruise around. So you have to have a license.
What's this? Daddy, we can stop the gift shop. We're gonna stop for ice cream. Oh, there you go, the sushi here. Ice lashes.
A little different.
I am hungry. The sushi. That's cool, hon.
There's a park up ahead here on the left.
Look at the other one. Oh, it's like a house. It looks like a house. Did you lock the car? Okay. Look. Look at that, guys. Very beautiful. Yeah. Oh wow. So now I can see the view now. Where it's those the picture.
Right.
See? That's the one.
Marriott.
Yeah.
Marina Marriott. This is so much better than the other place.
Yeah, I know. It's better we stay here last night.
Yeah, exactly. You don't know. You wanted to try that place, so that's fine.
Oh, there's something here, hon. Yeah, I saw over here they have a lot to do. You can tour like that, you know.
That right there goes in the ocean. That's a boat.
I know. You can tour that one. It's better we do that, you know.
You know, the Debbie Downer.
Huh?
That goes in the water. That was a boat. That turned into a ship. Okay, the splash.
Yeah, I saw a lot of activities here.
This is like really weird. Yes, he got her a cake. No, he didn't. She got her.
They're bringing people here
The people from the ocean.
somewhere else. They're bringing,
Look at that, the souvenir, hon.
let's go check it out.
Hold on. They have magnets, yeah. They do have magnets. Hanap tayo ng magnet, guys, para sa refrigerator natin. Ito,
I like that one.
I like this one. And I like this one. Look, ocean. Oh, do you like that?
No.
That's all how about that?
Yes, I have only small and two eggs.
That's all I like.
Okay, those two.
Yeah.
The
Okay,
last one.
let's buy those two. Let's try them.
I don't know.
See the price on it?
5, it's 6, 7.
$6, yeah. That's
That one?
they cost. Sure. $6 in yours.
How about this? $6.
About $6.
What is this? This.
I don't know.
San Diego.
Broken.
Broken. I don't like that. Yeah, that's all I
Okay,
want.
you want these?
Yeah. How about this?
It looks faded.
How about this?
It's faded. You can't read
Oh,
it.
look at these. Yes, yes.
Like, it's hard to read.
That one is big letter. That is it big letter? Yeah,
I like that.
yeah.
That one, you can see that it's gold.
No, it doesn't work yet. I have another song.
That's okay.
You like? The rest are faded. It's sunny here a lot. I'm sure they fade. Okay, let's get those two.
What is this? The crab. Okay.
Crab on.
So that's the
Good.
decoration.
We'll take these two. What's it say? 10. I don't have a one. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Yes, please.
Where are you gonna eat? Give me that one.
Probably in the restaurant there.
Okay.
Check it out.
This is two, right?
Yes.
Okay. No. You have some more here, hon?
I'm not hurting. It's just you can go.
Yeah, go.
I'll bet you that's one over there. It's probably above the restroom over there.
Restroom. Okay, let's go there.
Walk there, okay?
Yeah, and then go that
Path is
way.
right here. This is the path over here.
Yeah. Yeah.